Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I want to show you 3 unboxing of tarantulas. I actually got them already on a fair in Hamburg, but the seller forget to bring them there. So he sent them to me and today they arrived. We start with the first one. It's a sea darlingi. It's in here. We start with this one because I don't know how big he is actually. He told me about 2 centimeter body length, but the box is really big, and so I'm actually thinking he may be a little bit larger. So let's take a look. Wow, he's huge. He is huge, or she, I don't know. I'll show you. I hope you can see it. It's at least 3 or 4 centimeter body length. I think it's much larger than I expected. So to think about what I'm doing now, because I do not set up an enclosure for such a large one. Alright, so I got a Bra Plus box for him so far because I need so much more time to set up a real final enclosure for him or her. Yes, I put some cork bark thingy in, which is really too big for this. Doesn't matter. And some moss for the moisture. Alright, I'm really nervous always when I'm unboxing new tarantulas because I don't know them yet. So I have, of course, catch cuts ready. You never know. And, well, alright, I'm back. My boyfriend put the thing somewhere else. Alright, and it's time for the little guy to move in, I think. I hope you can see him. He's beautiful, or she. Really beautiful. Huge. Okay. This is not good. So, new try. Yeah. Why are you sitting so strange? No, do not turn around. Why? What are you doing? Or do you come out there? Yes. Awesome. Go ahead, go ahead. Welcome home. Oh, what a lovely one. Awesome. So you can take a last look at his butt. And we're done with this one. Awesome. So the next one is a T. violaceus. It's an arboreal tarantula. I do not have so many arboreal tarantulas yet. Actually, I only own some cows. My dog wants to be with me. Actually, I only have some Carabiner versicolor, but no other arboreal tarantulas. This one should be a bit larger one. I hope so. So she can settle in her final enclosure now. Whoa, she is huge and beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. So, here she is. Whoa, 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 don't move that much. Wow. Her abdomen is almost completely hairless. It looks absolutely funny. To my enclosures, I use some flower soil as substrate, no coconut fiber. As well, I'm using almost always moss, just from outside or from the store, and just to keep the moisture up. I never have mold in my enclosures, like almost never, because I'm putting in some insects that kill any upcoming mold, and rest of some insects the spiders ate, and that's pretty cool, so I think she'll like it. The plant is a real one too. I hope it will last. We'll see. So let's put this girl, she's a girl definitely, let's put her in. I just put out these and hope she won't bolt. But why should she? It's so nice in here. Alright. Yes, it's fine. Okay. She tried to kill me. Alright, alright. Do not do this. Ooh, my heart rate is up. Ooh. She's not happy. Just give me this. Give me this. Thank you. And the other one? Can I have the other one too? Alright. Actually, none of my tarantulas tried to kill me while the first setting into any new enclosure. This first one. I'll take the other tweezers. You need to get out of here. Stop kicking. She really does not want to get out. Come on. Wow. Okay, at least she's in. And just in case, I'll put some of this glass back in. Just in case, you know. Oh, she's a pretty nice girl, I'm sure, but not today. Just get away, get away. Get away from this towel, please. You want to kill me? I see that you want to kill me. Yeah. Alright. This looks good. Yes, go ahead. No. No. Yes. No. She's such a bitch. Just want to have this one, please. Alright, we got it. She's in, so awesome. Alright, so the last one for today. This is an Aphanopalma Semani Spec Blue. Though I think she's not that blue right now. I actually don't do this, but after the last one giving me that heartbeat, I just put one of the glass back in. So, oh, I forgot to give the last one her water dish back. But actually, she doesn't deserve it. Oh, hello, cutie. She has a body length about 3.5 centimeters, I think. And if I take a close look at her front legs, they appear pretty blue, much more blue than I've expected. So let's see if we can poke her out to her enclosure. There she is. It's absolutely funny. I've never seen this before. I'm not so long time into the hobby, but her whole butt, the lower side, not the upside, but the lower side, is like light pink, like a little pig. Awesome. Just go. No. Oh, she doesn't want to leave a box. It's so cute. You have so much more space and moisture and hiding options. So go, the last toe. Yes. That's how they should work. Alright, I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching this ridiculous start of mine on YouTube. If you have any questions, just post them in the comments. If you want to subscribe my channel, feel free to do it. Yes, I hope you liked it, and we'll see you the next time. Bye!